we got some new 5 surprise. It's a unicorn one.
It's the Unicorn Squad. So cool, guys. We got 2 to open up today, guys.
And there's 13 magic unicorns to collect, so that's how much you can collect. And we only have 2.
So
hopefully we don't get a double of it.
that's right. So let's open up this one first, guys. Okay, guys, we'll open it up now. Oh, look, so we get 3, 4. So we got 3 small ones to open up and a big
These
one.
are who you can collect here.
So that's the collector's guide. So let's open up the small one first, guys.
Yep.
Okay, so first up is a yellow musical comb and some musical stickers.
And second of all, it's like purple slime in there.
Let's open it up.
So this is what it looks like. So we're going to take the whole slime out.
Whoa, it's so slimy, guys. Check it out. So here's the slime. So let's open up our third one. Whoa, guys, look at this. We got all glitter outfit, guys. So we got a glitter pair, gold glitter pair of boots. Actually, looks like we've got 2 pairs of boots.
Because like horses or unicorns have like 4 feet.
Yeah, and a gold skirt. Cool. So let's see which unicorn we get, guys.
It's a big one.
Yep.
Ta-da! We got it it's like a rare, I think.
Yeah, it's all gold, guys. So cool.
So let's take it out and dress it up.
Yep.
Well, guys, look what we got here. It's like golden, and look at the horn. So we're gonna be right back and dress it up.
So guys, here it is, all dressed up. So glittery, guys. So pretty. Alright, let's find out what her name is.
So this is the one we got, number 13.
Shimmer.
Shimmer. So we're gonna go through all the other ones.
So these are all the others one that you can collect.
And I like this one, the nerd.
Luna.
Yep. And I think I like this one.
And this is the one that we got there, number 13. So we got the last one. There's actually 13 to collect.
And I like this one, the candy.
Cherry.
So hopefully we get one of them in the next bowl that we're going to open in a second.
Alright guys, we're going to open up this second one now.
So this is what we got like the other one. So we're just going to take this figure on the top out. And all of these bananas cards. So there's a collection again. So let's open our surprises.
We'll open up the 3 small surprise first, guys. So let's check out our first one. So this time we've got like a blue slime.
Oh, I think, comment down below if you like the purple or blue. They're my 2 favorite colours, so I like both.
And let's open up the second and third one.
And second of all, we got some little cupcakes and like some shoes.
Cool.
And a skirt too.
And we also got a cupcake yellow brush. Look at these cool little stickers. So cool, guys.
So now we're on to our little like unicorn.
Yes, let's see which one we get.
Ta-da! Oh look, this one has some like
Glittery. It's more like it's a shiny one again. Whoa, with a sparkly hot pink horn. So pretty.
and we'll be right back to change her too.
Yep.
So we dressed her up and this is what she looks like. She's so pretty.
It's like a cupcake unicorn, guys.
And her name's Charlie, by the way.
Yeah, look at the beautiful eyes, her hair. Look at the cupcake and donut on top. Look at her skirt. Wow, she's so cute.
And comment down below which one you like, the golden bear one that we think is rare, or this one. I think I like the cupcake girl, this one, Charlie. I like her skirt, by the way. That's why I like her.
So cool, guys. We will be definitely doing more of these 5 surprise unicorn. So keep your eyes out.
And make sure you click that like button and please subscribe for more videos. Bye!
Bye, guys.